Shiba Inu and #039, SCEO will soon send SHIB to $10 overnight. Ship news. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coins. Price changes for Shiba Inus are becoming more unpredictable since the price has dropped by the most this year. Traders can use technical indicators and traditional price action methods in this analysis to predict both a bullish and a bearish scenario. The value of the digital meme coin Shiba Inu fell by 11% on that day, making it the worst red day of the year. The price is approaching a trend line that has already been set. This will affect how the price of the token moves in the future. Traders can expect the price to go down even more if the bulls dawn and #039T provide support at this level. We will talk about Shiba Inu and #039. SCEO sends SHIB to $10 overnight soon in this video. Dawn and #039T forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let and #039 start the video right away. Shiba Inu is worth 0.00012134 right now. Every day, the bears try to make a candlestick close below the simple moving average for the past 21 days. If it works, this will be the first sign that the general trend of going up that started in the last week of December is over. There is still a chance that the trend could keep going up. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, shows that the price is now back at levels of support, with a positive divergence from the area of consolidation that was near 0.00001050. Failure to stay above 40 on the RSI would mean that the whole upward trend could end. The next important level for bulls to aim for is the August high at 0.00001800. If they reach that level, the price of SHIB will have gone up by 45% from where it is now. If, on the other hand, the RSI falls below 40, bears who bought near the current swing high at 0.00001575 are likely to start adding to their positions. Because of this, there could be a selling frenzy aimed at the start of SHIB and #039's winter recovery near 0.000780. In a bearish situation, the price of a Shiba Inu could drop by 36% from where it is now. Huge amounts of Shiba Inu tokens during a multi-million-dollar buying spree. New information from the blockchain search engine Etherscan shows that the amount of SHIB held by the Chicago-based trade company Jump Trade has grown from 250,000 on February 4 to just over 130.7 billion. Jump Trading, which is known for being one of the smallest hedge funds, now has about $1.7 million worth of Shib because it bought the dog-themed meme coin. According to its most recent earnings report, the site is in charge of assets worth about $150 million. The story also says that Jump Trading might have an even bigger portfolio than disclosed because it might have assets like cash or real estate that aren't and #039T open to the public. The hedge fund is buying a lot of things at the same time that the price of Shiba Inus is going down. This cryptocurrency and #039's value has dropped about 4% in the past 24 hours. It is still falling from its 7-day high of 0.000015 to its present level of 0.000013. Not long ago, crypto data platform Santiment said that whale activity has been picking up in 2023 because has become the second most popular altcoin among Ethereum whales. Santiment says that the world and #039's 5,000 biggest ETH whales now hold a huge $50,905,707,716,073 SHIB, which is worth just over $735 million. The rate at which the overall number of SHIB tokens is being used up is called the "burn rate", so this can happen. A part of the tokens are sent to a public address whose private key is unknown. This is called token burn, This takes the tokens out of circulation and lowers the total number that are available. The first round of SHIB token distribution was meant to work like a normal stock with a limited amount. To keep the tokens from going up in value too quickly, the project and #039's owners burned half of the total supply and locked away the other half. The burn rate of SHIB has dropped a lot in the last few months, according to figures from Glassnode. The rate was over 8% in December 2021, but it was only 3% in January 2023. This drop in the burn rate is probably caused by a number of things, such as the large number of SHIB tokens that have been sold and the release of new tokens from the locked supply. Over 20 million SHIB tokens were burned in the last 24 hours. But only 205,000 were burned today. This is a 99.13% drop. This is what info from SHIB Burn says. Even with this drop, the burn rate and #039's total performance against the SHIB price is still poor. Traders may not be interested in SHIB for a number of reasons. One big reason is that people recently sold a lot of tokens, which caused prices to drop from all-time highs. Some traders may have cashed out, taking the money they had made from their purchases. The fact that there is more competition in the DeFi space is another issue. In the past few months, there have been a lot of new DeFi projects, and each one has its own coin. This may take attention away from SHIB and other projects because there are more projects to choose from. Finally, some traders might be worried about how long SHIB and #039's business plan will last. The founders of the project have said that they will use some of the token and #039's limited amount to pay for future work. There are, however, worries about how the project will be able to make money and keep growing in the long run. The value of Shiba Inu can go up by burning them to reduce the amount of them that are in circulation. However, the amount of burning that needs to happen to hit the price of 0.001 is a big problem. With a market cap of $5.81 billion and 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, the token supply needs to be cut to $5.8 trillion in order for the price to reach a Shiba Inu Discord member named Shib Queenie had previously said that up to 88.8 trillion Shib tokens could be burned every year through Shiba Swap and the soon-to-be-released Shibarium Layer 2 solution. According to this prediction, the price would be reached in about 6 years. It might not be as easy as it seems to reach this goal, though. The main creator for Shiba Inu, Archangel, has said that burning 90% of SHIB tokens is not a good idea. To get the price down to 0.001, almost all of the tokens in circulation would have to be burned. Also, there are prizes for burning Ryoshi and #039's Vision, which is worth less than SHIB tokens, is used to pay for Shiba Inu tokens. This makes me wonder what the motivation is for burning tokens to lower the supply. Even though the SHIB burn rate has recently gone down, the token and #039's future is still unclear. There is a chance that the project will keep growing and stay famous, but there is also a chance that it will fade into history as another cryptocurrency. If SHIB and #039's founders can get through the problems they and #039 facing and keep coming up with new ideas, the token could become very famous again. That being said, this will take a lot